Welcome to the lectures series of Engineering Drawing and Graphics Theory course for engineers. In these series of tutorials, we will discuss the different topics of engineering drawing and graphics for engineers. So this course is almost used in each and every discipline of engineering, and this is one of the basic course to know the fundamental principles and to understand that how you will draw the drawing of different engineering items. My name is Arshad Ali, lecturer in Department of Agricultural Engineering, University of Engineering and Technology, Peshawar. So this is the first part of lecture number 1, in which we will just introduce the course name and the contents, the name of the books which we will be following in this series of tutorial. So this is the first part of lecture number 1. So the course name is Engineering Drawing and Graphics. It is a type of theoretical course. We will discuss the theory of engineering drawing and graphics, which is used in different disciplines of engineering. Mostly for engineering purposes, we will discuss the engineering drawing and graphics course. So remember, whenever you are studying a certain type of course, so it has some objective, that why we are studying this course, what is the main aim of the course, what is the main objective of the course. So the objective of this course, the objective of this engineering drawing course is to inculcate in students the ability to comprehend the science of engineering drawing, so that they are able to convey their creative idea. Remember, engineering is all about the application of the scientific knowledge. Okay, in science, see, the difference between science and engineering is this one, that science is the investigation or study of natural phenomena. Yeah, that is the discovering of the principle among the natural phenomena. Yeah, from the natural phenomena, if you are investigating some knowledge, if you are discovering some knowledge, so that is science. Then engineering is a goal-oriented process in which we are applying the knowledge of science. Engineering is the application of mathematics and empirical sciences to invent something, to innovate something, to design something, to build something, to maintain something, to do research on something, to develop some kind of structures, machine, tools, or system, or components, or material, or processes, or organization. So simply we can say that engineering is the application of the scientific knowledge to produce some new items, to produce some new products. So engineers basically design the material, structure, and system while considering the limitation which is imposed by practicality, safety, and cost. Okay, so basically in this course we have to create, or we have to teach into the students the ability that how they will transform the idea which is present in their mind, that how that idea will be transformed into a sheet of paper. Okay, see, if you have some problem, then you will have some solution for that problem, then you will have some objective in your mind, that for example, if we have a problem and we can solve this problem by designing some tool, by designing some component, by designing some structure, so that structure, that tool, yeah, that design will be present in your mind. Now how they design that element or that structure which is present in your mind, how it will be conveyed into a sheet of paper, how you will transform that creative idea from your mind into a sheet of paper. So in this course, basically we will try to develop the ability in the student just to transform their mind, to transform their creative idea into a sheet of paper. Okay, to familiarize the students with the use of engineering drawing concepts and tools for preparing the technical drawings. See, we have different types of tools, for example compass, protractor, ruler, t-square and set squares. So in this course we will familiarize the student that they will use the fundamental knowledge, that they will use the principle of engineering drawing, that they will use the concept of engineering drawing, and with the help of the different tools of engineering they will draw the technical drawing. So that is the course objective. And after completion of this course the student will be able, these are the course learning outcome, that what you will achieve after completion of this course. So first you will be able to explain the fundamental concepts and techniques of engineering drawing, that how you will transform your creative idea into a sheet of paper. So first you will have some principle, you will have some fundamental knowledge, you will have some basic concepts, you will have some basic definition, you will have some basic rules. So first you will understand that fundamentals, that principles and that concepts. Okay, then based on the principle and based on the concepts you can draw the different orthographic projection of points, lines, planes and solid. See, we have different elements of the engineering drawing. For example, point is the basic element of engineering drawing. Then we have line, then from the different combination of line we can draw planes, then with the combination of different planes we can get solid object. So if you have the basic knowledge, if you have the fundamental knowledge, if you have the concept of engineering drawing, then you can draw the orthographic projection. We will discuss in detail that what is mean by orthographic projection. Okay, and then based on this knowledge we can prepare the various technical engineering drawings. Okay, it will be not only specific to civil engineering, it can be mechanical engineering drawing, it can be electrical engineering drawing, it can be agricultural engineering drawing. So simply our focus will be the basic concept, our focus will be the understanding of the basic concept of the engineering drawing, and then the application of that basic concepts for the preparation of different technical drawing. It may be civil engineering drawing or mechanical engineering drawing. Okay, and it contribute to program learning objective number 1. Okay, also we can say that upon the successful completion of this course the student will be able to define the fundamental of engineering drawing and to illustrate the fundamental knowledge to sketch different geometrical shapes using projection of lines, planes and solids. Basically we have two objectives of this course. First you will understand the theoretical concept. First you will understand the fundamental concepts of engineering drawing. First you will understand the different principle of engineering drawing, and then based on that fundamental knowledge or principal knowledge or conceptual knowledge you can draw or you can sketch the different geometrical shapes. Okay, so we will, when we are able to transform the we can say that our creative idea, the thing which is present in our mind, so then it can be transformed into a sheet of paper, and then it is called the technical drawing. Yeah, it is called the engineering drawing. In this series of tutorials we will cover various topics. So the course outlines are, first we will have the course introduction, which almost we have done, and the introduction to engineering drawing. Okay, first we will clarify that we have different types of drawing is available. So specifically what is engineering drawing, what are the different types of the engineering drawing. Okay, so this is just a background about the technical drawing or engineering drawing, and then we will discuss the most important topic of the engineering drawing, which is scales. Okay, see that is most important when you are drawing any type of technical drawing or engineering drawing. Then we will have the basic geometrical construction, which is the basic steps in which we will discuss the different shapes. For example, how you will conceptually or how you will technically draw, for example, a triangle or a circle or square, and how you will draw a type of curve. So we have different types of the geometrical construction, so we will discuss the technical methods. Okay, then we will have the theory of the orthographic projection. So we have two types of projection, first angle projection and third angle projection. So in detail we will discuss the orthographic projection. Remember, when you have the basic knowledge of engineering drawing and you understand the scale concept, and if you are able to draw the different geometrical construction technically, then you will have to understand the orthographic projection. That, for example, if a three-dimensional object is present, if a real object is present, so we know that that is in 3 dimension. Okay, and if you have a sheet of paper, suppose if you are drawing the sketch of that 3-dimensional object, so actually you are converting it from 3-dimensional into 2-dimensional. Okay, so we have one of the main concept which is called the orthographic projection. Okay, so we will discuss it in detail. So then we have the basic element of engineering drawing like point, line, plane. So we will discuss one by one the projection of point, projection of straight lines, projection of planes, and projection of solid. Okay, then we will discuss the section of solid and the isometric projection, which is the one of the most important topic of engineering drawing, that how you will draw the isometric view of any object. And then we have another concept which is the development of surfaces. So these are the basic topics which a student will need before going into the practical drawing of any object, either civil engineering structures or mechanical machinery elements, or we can say that electrical engineering drawing. So this is the basic theory behind the practical engineering drawing. In this series of tutorial, we will follow the book of engineering drawing by N.D. Butt, 53rd edition, mean the different numerical questions and the different exercises which will be solved in these series of tutorials. So we will follow this one book, engineering drawing by N.D. Butt, 53rd edition. The rest of the books, these are also the reference books which will be we can say that you can study these books for more knowledge about the engineering drawing. Okay, so this is all about the course introduction. So if you have any questions, or if you have any comments, or if you have any concern, so you can communicate. Okay, the lecture is continued. Thank you.